All right, what's up folks? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. In this one, I'm gonna go ahead and start to get some seeds going. It is April 12th, and it's a nice day outside. Got my computer work done for at least for now. I've got something coming in earlier or later on today. But I need to go ahead and start getting some seeds in the ground for it's spring. Spring has sprung here in the south. So what I'm gonna do, this is my bag of seeds I replenished recently, and some of these are left over from last year. I just store them in the garden box in the garage. But I need to fill this up with water. Water jug, which is full, still working well. Turn that a little bit. So these are gonna be kind of be my in-between seeds. That's good right there. Which means these are going to be shallower rooting seeds like cilantro or herbs that are going to go in the top box there. I may sprinkle a few about the garden, but for now I need to get those going. Also, what I want to get going today is there's my cilantro sage. I need to get my okra going as well because it's hot. I mean, okra loves hot weather, and I'm telling you, it's almost feeling like summer in Georgia right now. Put them in the water, let them soak for about 6 hours before you put them in the ground, and that's going to give them a good head start, right? That's going to kind of alleviate the chance of them not getting enough water in the seeding stage and either dying off or just not making it. So this way they're going to spend plenty of time in the water here. They're going to soak it in, and they're going to get a good head start. All right, so we'll do the bare metal can on the okra. Do these later, and we'll do the skin can for the leafy greens, for the cilantro. Get all the seeds. These cilantro seeds, they get more and more expensive. $1.69 for these guys. Back in the day, you could get seeds for 50 cents, 25 cents. So we're just going to take the whole pack, dump it in the water. Do one more. Let's see. Let's do ones up. Already got open. Yep, whole pack into the water. So we've got our seeds in the water there, so they're going to soak for about 6 hours or so. So I'm going to put these in the shade. And let those soak in. So next we're going to do okra. Just going to start with the open patch from last year. I'm telling you, y'all, okra is one of my favorite vegetables. Pickled, fried, steamed. I absolutely love it. 58 days to harvest, and once you get these guys going, they just pump out the fruits. So emerald, we got some crimson red in here too. We're going to use the rest of the pack here on the crimson red. So the emerald green and the crimson. Go. So this should keep me busy for the for the rest of the day in the garden. So all those cilantro seeds float, but the okra seeds do not. They sink. All right, we're just going to let them kind of chill out in the shade, soak in the water for about 5 or 6 hours. And then later on this evening, we'll come out and plant them in gonna spread them out a little bit. Well, the cilantro is gonna go in the raised bed, kind of as a bed mate there with those peppers, and then I'll spread some out here in the raised bed garden. And then the okra, I like doing the okra in buckets. These big 5-gallon buckets, plenty of room for okra. They're heavy, you can move them. So when that okra gets 6 foot tall, you know, it may or may not be in the right spot, but I'm starting to figure it out here in my little garden area. So the okra, I'm gonna start off in smaller pots. Once those get going, probably about 2 seeds per pot, 3 seeds. Once those get going, kill whichever's not the strongest and let the strongest take over. Move those into a bucket, and then I'll do a little bucket line back here in the back. And I'm gonna put okra, that's south, so I'm gonna put okra in the back. It's super tall, so it will get plenty of sun back here in these rows. So y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.